Did you know that Japan experiences thousands of earthquakes every year? This island nation sits in one of the most earthquake-active regions on Earth. Japan is located where several massive tectonic plates meet and constantly push against each other. One of these plates is slowly sliding under Japan, a process scientists call subduction. As pressure builds between these plates, the energy eventually releases, causing earthquakes. That's why Japan experiences so many earthquakes compared to most other countries. Japan lies on the Pacific Ring of Fire, the most active earthquake zone on our planet.